anyway, so I am here at the Disneyland Hotel. Tonight I'm going to do the Star Wars After Hours or After Dark special. So we'll have some of that later when it gets darker. I'm going to try to get into the park a little bit before the party starts, but I'm waiting for my hotel room, and I am staying here at the Disneyland Hotel, so I'll give you a tour of that room once I get checked in. Alright, see you soon! It's Easter time, springtime. It's like cute. Oh, this one doesn't open until 4 o'clock. It's spooky looking until 4, huh? Let's explore the Frontier Tower. I'm just waiting for my room, so we're gonna wander over here to the Frontier Tower, which I've stayed in before. Here's the diorama of Big Thunder Mountain. I don't know if you can read that. How cool is that? Too bad the little train doesn't actually like run. But again, this is a diorama, so Dynamite goat. This entire area over here is really the restaurant. At Christmas time, they have trees here and little ornaments on them. Instead, not these trees. They put actual Christmas trees in. These are some weird pine trees. I think my mom had one of these, but it was really tiny. This is quite large. Always good to find the directories. And they have meetings going on. And the restrooms are down here. Okay. I'm just killing time. More directories tell you where everything is. Oh, there's the geyser. It's going off. That is a nice tower. A long time ago, if you were ever at this hotel way before, if I can find pictures, I might have pictures. They used to have in this area, starting with the water over here to the right, over this direction, used to have water that goes all the way down here, and this used to be walk bridge, like a walkway over, and then they'd still have water all the way to that direction. They used to have like a sandy fake beach back there where the Discovery Tower is, but all this area here, they used to have a really pretty waterfall, and you could walk down along the path. I know I have pictures of it, and I've taken pictures in front of the waterfalls, but it's kind of sad because this is all that's left of the waterfall that they used to have. Yep, down here used to see this is all the waterfall that's left, but this whole area, now there's a nice long bench and everything. Yeah, but this whole area along the whole ridge over here and the ridge over there where the green is now, they filled it all in. This area used to go down farther and used to be a walkway where you could have the waterfalls, but that's all that's left of the little waterfall. I'm getting hungry. I'm gonna need to eat something soon. I feel like the Tangaroa Terrace is calling me. Okay, so here's the room. This is a king size, and this is a regular room in the Disney Adventure Tower. Here is the closet. Extra pillows, ironing board. Oh, my favorite. These are so soft, and they got fuzzies inside. All right, and then of course luggage container. So it is a sliding door. You know what? I am now. Okay, well, we're just gonna leave. Oh yeah, so it's a sliding door. Leaves the hallway. Hallway is very narrow on here. It is a connecting room, so I don't know. Hopefully, the people next door aren't so loud. But it's locked. And then come down. Ooh, Walt Disney stuff. And then the little lamps. And they have the little hidden Mickey. But it is a king size bed. It's very pretty. I am in the Adventure Tower, but I am facing the pool. I'm not very high. I'm only on the second floor, so you can see everybody's walkway. There's the Fantasy Tower. There is the Frontier Tower. There is the Discovery Tower. This is Trader Sam's. And this is just the walkway. It's a little gloomy today. And then the pool, of course, is over there. But nice blocking. I don't know if this lamp is supposed to be turned like that. I think it's just tilted. I don't know. Maybe that's the new way. But, of course, everybody, if you want to see... La la la. Yeah. So, very cute, right? All right, so let's get into the bathroom. Very, very dark in the bathroom. A little, I don't know if these are cute or creepy after a while because there's the little Mickey hands. And then, hello. All right, and then of course shared, what is this? Hand soap. Oh, hand soap and wash now. I mean lotion. That's interesting. Ooh, what are these? What? Toothbrushes. I think those are toothbrushes. That's awesome. All right, all your towels are down here. Hair dryer's there. Extra toilet paper. You've got Kleenex here. Obviously, just a regular bath. This is the shared soaps and shampoo and conditioner. It's not a rain shower because this is an older, obviously these have not been remodeled. Conserve water and energy. You have your towels here. There is a hook back here. So not really the regular bathroom kind of thing. And of course, yeah, so this is the room, and then we can take a look at the other direction. Hold on one second. And this is the view from this side. So there's still a desk. There is my luggage. I'm going to unpack and everything. There is the television. There's Krupp. Oh, I love this. You know, everybody knows I love these. These are great. Of course, they have the refrigerator here. It's a standard refrigerator, but I brought stuff, so. And then I got these cakes. I want to show you really quickly the cake. Oh, it is jammed up here bad. I don't know. All right. Anyway, I don't know if you can see it. I'll show you in a minute. I'll pull them out later, and I'll show you what I'm eating. Of course, and the drawers, as usual. So, yep. And then, of course, the regular, what do you call it? Normal garbage can. One side's recycling. One side's, garbage, I guess. You can see the garbage now. Yeah. So, it's a very cute room. And then later, I'm heading out to the park for Star Wars After Dark. I got the cake slices out of the refrigerator. This is the lemon raspberry cake slice. It's very thick. And then this is the carrot cake piece. So yeah, these are very large pieces of cake. They kind of remind me of the slices that I've seen at the Cake Bake Shop in Florida. But we'll see. I'm sure these are tasty, tasty, tasty. So I will try them and let you guys know later. Thanks again for watching, and please like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!